In this video, I'm going to show you the best collaboration tools for remote and hybrid teams. Whether it is project management, task management, file sharing or meeting notes, I have collected the best tools to take your team to the next level.
Hey guys, it's me, Aaron from TheBusinessDive. Remote collaboration is rising globally, and it offers a great way to connect with each other. However, remote works come with challenges, including time management issues, team communication, and unproductive work days. Staying focused is crucial during such times, and having the right team collaboration tools can make all the difference. As there are many apps on the market, finding the right tools is difficult. That's why I wanted to share the best team collaboration tools I found for remote and hybrid teams, which can absolutely supercharge productivity and performance. The first app I wanted to show you is a project management tool called ClickUp. It is one of the best collaboration tools available for managing projects. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile app and can work as a central hub for project coordination. It is especially efficient for remote or hybrid teams due to the extensive collaboration features. For example, you can build documents together with your teammates, tag others with comments, or assign them action items. It also provides a virtual whiteboard and chat features where you can collaborate with your teammates in real time. Essentially, ClickUp can be more than just another app that your team uses. It can be a bridge between team members working from different locations. Besides team collaboration features, remote teams can effectively plan, execute, and track projects. Another reason I choose ClickUp as the best project management tool for remote teams is the pricing. Compared to other project management tools, it is a budget-friendly business plan, which makes it an ideal app for smaller teams as well. You can check out ClickUp using the link in the description below. The next tool is Todoist. It is a powerful task manager app that helps you organize tasks and track progress. Its features such as task reminders, productivity visualizations, and collaboration tools make it easy to stay on the top of your work and get things done. You can access it on desktop, web, Android, and Apple devices. So next time when something comes to your mind, you can just quickly add it to the tomorrow's to-do list, and it's never mind whether you are traveling home or waiting for a lunch. What makes Todoist an effective task management tool for remote teams is that you can create shared workspaces where your team can organize tasks and projects together, separate from everyone's personal stuff. Also, you can break down projects, give text to your teammates, attach files, and leave comments to your team members. When using Todoist, you can smoothly create, assign, and track tasks no matter where you are. So the chances of overlooking or forgetting a task will be absolutely zero. And believe me, it gives peace of mind not just for you, but everyone on the team. Overall, having Todoist in your tool stack allows you to simplify and organize your and your team's work for $6 per person in 1 month. The next tool I want to show you is MidGeek. It is an AI note taker that can completely take over note taking from you during online meetings. MidGeek records, transcribes, and summarizes your online meetings so you can focus on the participants instead of trying to multitasking between note taking, speaking, and listening. Besides making your online meetings more efficient, it can also save you cost, as you no longer need to bring one additional teammate to the online meetings to take notes and can spend time with something else. You can also upload videos or audio files on MidGeek, for example a webinar, and it will transcribe and summarize you. MidGeek works well with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, no matter you will have an external or internal call. It supports more than 20 languages, so it's ideal for multicultural teams as well. Additionally, you can customize your preferences when you want MidGeek to join your meetings. Compared with other AI note takers, MidGeek sends the best summaries about online meetings or video files. The summary includes main topics, action items, and highlights. So whenever you need something from a previous meeting, you just look at the summary and easily find it. Lastly, it analyzes your online meetings and identifies points where you should improve. It provides you data about the call sentiment, talk, and silence time. Ultimately, MidGeek is a must-have tool for remote teams. Utilizing a tool like MidGeek, you and your team can fully automate online meetings and make remote collaboration smoother. If you consider how much time you spend on online meetings, or how much does it cost to always have someone to take notes, $15 or almost $30 if you opt for the business plan is not too much. You can find a link to MidGeek in the description below. You probably heard about Notion, so I'm gonna fast with this one. Notion is a little bit of everything. You can implement Notion in many workflows, including note-taking, project and task management, generating summaries of to-do lists, fixing spelling, and much more. With Notion, you can access many templates for creating to-do lists, meeting summaries, investor updates, recruiting trackers, etc. Whatever document you need, Notion's templates just simply make it easier to prepare. If you are unsure whether you or your team need a project or task management tool, you can try Notion first. The projects feature allows you to plan, manage, track, and execute your projects. While I would not call Notion a project management app, it can do the work, especially if you have a small team. Furthermore, Notion's AI writing assistant can greatly improve your writing by detecting errors and correcting misspelled words and incorrect grammar. Also, it can translate the written content into another language. Ultimately, Notion is like a Swiss Army knife. You can use it for many purposes. It is a great workspace app and a cheap solution for smaller teams when they do not have sufficient budget for a different tool for project management, task management, or time tracking. You can find Notion's link in the description below. The next app may not popular as Notion, but believe me, it's fantastic. The app name is Geekbot. It was designed to automate stand-up, surveys, and several other workflows. It not just saves time, but also helps you to build a company culture in a remote environment. Geekbot turns everyday's updates into automated workflows. You just set the time and the frequency of stand-ups, the questions to ask, and who should receive a prompt, and you are done. Just to give you a short example on how you can use Geekbot. Imagine you are leading a team of 10 people. They are all working on a different project, and you are the one who is responsible for their work. You can either schedule 10 one-on-one meetings in a week, which is a lot, or you can have a group call with all of them. The problem here is that it takes a lot of time, and you probably waste your team members' time as well because the projects are not necessarily connected. Here is where Geekbot can change the game. You can just send out a question to all of them on the status of the project, and if there is anything blocking the progress, and that's it. I do not say you no longer need one-on-one meetings or team meetings, but it definitely reduces their numbers. Also, you can use Geekbot for other purposes, like tracking team happiness, or just sending them a survey about where they want to do the next team building activity. Geekbot works based on each team member's local time zone, so everyone receives the prompt during working hours. It analyzes the answer, helping you to understand team happiness and engagement level, and giving you a real-time insight into the results. If you use Slack or Microsoft Teams, Geekbot is a great addition and definitely worth the price. You can check out Geekbot using the link in the description. The next app I want to show you is Time Doctor. It is a time tracking app which was designed to remote teams. In general, it helps with two issues. First, monitoring how remote employees spend their time, and second, giving an overview of the overall productivity and well-being of the team. Using the time tracking feature, you can see how your team spends their time. You can totally eliminate manual time tracking, which greatly increases timesheet accuracy. Team members can easily record the time they worked even if they are offline. You can access Time Doctor on desktop and mobile as well. After adding your team members to your Time Doctor's account, you will access a real-time report about your team time distribution. You will see which tasks they are currently working on, how much time they spend on it, and when they begin and finish work. Moreover, it is a strong analytics feature. Time Doctor provides you with key metrics of your team's work-life balance, details regarding idle minutes, productivity percentages, top projects, and recorded time. While the basic plan includes most of the time tracking features, if you want to see more details about your team's productivity, you might need to consider the standard plan. You can find the link to Time Doctor in the description. Sometimes you all miss the office vibe when working remotely, but there is a solution. Timico is an online platform that provides you with your own virtual office. Timico helps remote teams to work together no matter the location. You can personalize your office, customize room names, and use your branding. What is great about Timico is that you can just pop into a room and start an ad hoc conversation with others, just like you would in a physical office. So you do not need to schedule a meeting or start endless chat threads. You can just join to the room with one click and start a discussion. When participating in a Timico call, multiple people can share their screens at the same time, which can make online calls even more effective. Besides team collaboration, Timico is an ideal tool for onboarding remote employees as well. When it comes to pricing, you have a 2-week trial to try Timico's features. The pricing itself is between $6 and $8, depending on whether you choose an annual or monthly plan. Dropbox is among the must-have remote collaboration tools for file management, sharing, and storing. It is available on mobile, desktop, and web. With Dropbox, you can easily streamline your document management processes, as it is an integrated platform where you can share, access, and store documents in one place. And most importantly, you can do it safely. Dropbox allows you to use password protection, and you can access to the viewer history. Besides protecting your document, Dropbox automatically backups critical documents, so you can quickly restore them if needed. In addition, you can securely send, sign, and track documents with Dropbox. Similarly to Google Workspace, you can work together on documents in real time with your team members. Regarding the pricing plans for teams, you can either choose the business plan for €12 per month or opt for the Business Plus plan, which is €18. The last tool I want to share with you is Slack. Thanks to its rich set of tools and customization options, Slack is still the best communication platform for remote teams. One outstanding feature is communicating with partners, vendors, or customers through Slack. This can seriously reduce the time spent on emails and online meetings. You can create channels for every project, team, or topic that can help you to streamline communication in a remote or hybrid environment. One of the major advantages of Slack is the integration. You can integrate Slack with over 2,600 apps. When looking at the pricing plans, the Pro plan is ideal for smaller teams, while the Business plan is best for medium and large-size businesses. This was my list of the best team collaboration tools for remote and hybrid teams. Let me know what tool you use or what other tool you would add to the list to make remote collaboration even more effective and productive. Catch you later, guys.